Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's giveaway time with Bella, and I'm in a pickle, but I think I've overcome it because you've all been so wonderful, and I've got 535 comments on my last video, which was Bella's giveaway flip through. So this is now 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been dilly-dallying for the last hour thinking, how can I do this? I tried the electronic one, you know, the free one, but I could only put on 190 something comments. That wasn't any good. Rachel's not on premium, I'm not on premium, and just for one giveaway I was going to pay £9 a month for the next year, I think. So I'm going to have to think outside of the box, aren't I? So we're going to try this. It may or may not work. You may not see this video and I may have to think again, but I'm going to do this. Now the first one I'm going to do is for the 5,000 subscribers. Help me, let me just get my thoughts together a moment, because we got a lot going on. As you know, Rachel's moving house, and we were there yesterday. So anyway, you don't want to hear all about that. You want to hear about the giveaway, don't you? So there's the 4 pockets there. So just take that in. That's the journal, which I'm going to do in a moment. Okay, now I think the fairest way I can think of doing this, now you're going to laugh when you think what I'm going to see, what I'm going to do, but I'm going to put my computer here. You can't see it, but I'm going to show you. No, it's not even going there. Look, so you know I'm on the right page. Now what I'm doing, you know the cursor on the side, the one that flips them up all of the comments. I'm going to put my cursor, on this little black box on the right hand side, and I'm going to go up and down, so they're all just moving up and down freely like that. So they're all scrolling now, okay? And then I'm going to stop, close my eyes, and then I'm going to put the cursor over somebody's name, and that's the only fairest way I can think of doing it. Okay, so these are for the pockets, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put the cursor back at the top. I can see my picture on there now, and we're going to go down now, and I'm going to just scroll and scroll and scroll, and I'm going to go up and down so it's fair, and I'm going to stop there, and now I'm going to go over to, oh, I didn't shut my eyes, let me do it again. So back there, right. Now I got my eyes closed, guys, so I hope you trust me, and I'm going to cross here somewhere, and I'm going to click on something. Where's my cursor? Pockets. Well, there we go. So we got at Dawn 2915. So if you're watching this, Dawn, if that's your name, and you said you are so generous, Bella, thank you for sharing, and a lovely email on there with a heart. Okay, and yes, that's okay. So at Dawn, this is her what do you call this, the name above the comment. So it's at, as in, you know, when you're doing your Gmail, at Dawn, DAWNH 2915. So that's the first one. Okay, so well done, Dawn, and I think I better write that down now before I lose it, because as I say, there's so many. Let me write it on a piece of paper. Bear with me now, guys. So it's at Dawn with a small d, Dawn H 2915, and then I'm going to put pockets. Now look, guys, we're really busy this week because Rachel is moving. If you haven't let me know by Wednesday, and I haven't heard from Dawn by Wednesday, then I'm going to draw it again, and I'll do exactly the same thing. Normally I get about 100 and something, so I tend to put them in a little tin and pull them out, but golly, I tried to do that. I ended up with pages and pages and pages that I have to cut out. There's no way I have the time to do that. Okay, guys, so okay, so that's the pockets going to Dawn, and I've written pockets next to Dawn. So there she is, at Dawn H 2915, pockets. All right, now let's do the journal. I'll write the journal down there. Ready? So let's try it again now. Put that over there. Let me put my cursor little box back up the top of the page, and I'm going to go up and down a few times so it's fair, all right? And I'm going to stop there, and I'm going over here with my cursor. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's pockets. No, we got to do it again because the pockets have gone. Okay, let me move my, because I was on a lumpy bit on my material. So up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, I'm going across. I've got my eyes closed, guys. Honestly, I have. Where's my cursor? Here. It's at Pam. Oh, they're both ats. Oh, that's pockets as well. Oh, I'm not sure I should have done this, should I? Anyway, we'll try again. Sorry, guys. 1, 2. It's going up and down. Right, let's stop there. I'm going over here now with my... What have I done now? Oh, I know what I've done. I've gone off the page. Just a minute, guys. Oh, dear me. I knew this was going to be a nightmare. Why did I do this? That's the Friday freebies flip through. Oh, dear. Bear with me, bear with me. It's been a funny week. Right. So, we're at the top of the page. Right, let's go up here. Right, I'm going to do it again now. All right, so wait for it. I'm going up and down, stop there. And, oh, we've got a Christmas one, and it's at Ruth Finley 3720. And she says, Christmas journal, you are so amazingly talented, da 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 da. Congratulations on your wonderful achievement. You have worked so hard. Hugs and smiles. And what a lovely, and I didn't even say thank you. What a lovely comment. So there we go. Let me write this down now. So that's done. But that was bound to happen, wasn't it? So who have we got? At Ruth. At Ruth Finley. Or Finlay. And what's the number? 3720. 3720. So at, where are you? At Ruth Finlay 3720, and she's won the journal. Well done, both of you. I'm sorry this was a bit of a mix up, but it was the only fair way I could think of doing it, to be honest, guys. 535 comments. Now, come on. Isn't that amazing? You have been so fabulous throughout this amazing collaboration. Rachel and I are so very, very grateful. So well done to those two. So you've won the, Ruth, you've won the journal. Okay, so let me know. Now, what do you need to do? You need to contact me through Facebook if you're on our Facebook page. If you're not on our Facebook page, let me write down my name. It's Angelita Bella Walters. There we go. And there it is. Angelita, that's an L there. Angelita Bella Walters with an L. And you can contact me on message if you don't contact me on our Facebook page, which is Rach and Bella's Facebook page. All right? So congratulations, guys. As soon as you let me know, but as I say, if you don't contact me by next Wednesday, I shall draw it again and do exactly the same thing. All right? Only because we're short of time. So if you know these people, let them know, will you? And thank you all, guys. And I hope you're all well and you're having fun with... don't forget, Rachel's got a new kit out, and it is called Dusky Vintage Christmas. And I've just got the add-ons, by the way, because I've got a video going up tonight showing you what I'm going to make with it. So that's the add-ons, and aren't they gorgeous? And I've been doing lots of things with it, so come over and watch my new series of making a journal all the way through from start to finish. You won't see everything, obviously, because it's going to be slow stitching and all kinds of things, and it's going to be such fun. So thank you all very much, and love to you all. Bye for now.